Oh, what up, you guys? I'm gonna go package some shoes real quick and some clothes. We're gonna package one pair of shoes and 2 pieces of clothing today, you guys. So first off, we sold these grade school Prestos Extreme. As you guys can see, we picked them up for $30 at Marshall's, and they sold for $80 on Mercari. I thought I had paid $40 for these because I've gotten some offers before and I declined them, but apparently I only paid $30, so I was kind of tripping back then when I thought I paid $40. So we have that sale on Mercari. We had another sale of these shorts on eBay, sold for full asking price of $70. As you guys can see, we paid $18.36 plus tax. I went $18.36. That's tax included for these. So we're gonna get a great ROI on these pair of shorts that we've been selling this past week or so. And then the last item was a pair of pants. We recently picked these up on one of the best Ross hauls. These are some running pants. Retail on them is around $120, I think. Yeah, $120. They sold for $80. I don't know where the price tag went, but these I paid $21 for. I believe it was last week. Straight off the restock. So another great sale. These are really great sales right here. Hopefully they bring around, I say this is around $100 plus in profit. So we're gonna start packaging these shoes. They are going to fit in the shoebox, so I don't have to worry about breaking down another box or anything like that. I don't know if I'm a fan of this eBay tape. It looks nice, but doesn't tape too well. This is gonna weigh like 2 pounds. Probably 1, hopefully 1. This is going to Dana in Texas. Hope you like them. I know you're not watching this video, but thanks either way. Just over 1 pound, so we're gonna ship this out. It's gonna cost I believe like $9 to ship out. It's gonna cost $8.85 to ship this. So let's break down the numbers real quick and see how much profit we made. Get that Rolo action, baby. Yes, sir. So we made $28.13 off those shoes. Almost 100% ROI, which is great. We shoot for around 40% return on investment. That's my lowest I will ever go. Sometimes it goes a little lower than that, but that's rare. But yeah, just good that we're keeping up with our margins. Now we're gonna pack up these shorts right here. Don't want to cut that off. We want to cut the price tag off from Burlington. So we're just gonna fold these and put these in a poly bag. Like so. Straighten them out in there. They barely fit in this poly bag, but that's all good. Now we're just gonna close it up. As long as it barely fits, we're good. And the person who bought this was Josiah in Tennessee. Thank you, Josiah, for your purchase. Once again, I don't know if you're watching, but thank you either way. Get this Rolo action real quick. Gotta love it. So we paid $9.74 in fees for those. Shipping only cost $3.46 because it's going first class. And we made a total of $38.43 off of those shorts, which I don't know if it's gonna be more than this, but I'm pretty sure they are. But yeah, let's just slap the shipping label, close this up, and go on to the next order. So we put the item in there, try to get all the air out. Peel this little sticker off, and close that guy up. $38 right there. And these we sold them on Poshmark for $75. And they take the fees, so I'm gonna get $60. And I only paid $21 plus tax for these, which is great. So I'm just gonna put these in a clear poly bag once again. And yeah, these running pants always sell great for me, and they always sell at a great margin. They sell high. For certain colors, they move quicker. I still have some, I believe, olive ones that I haven't sold, and it's been like 3 months. But I guess it just depends on the colorway. The colorway and price, because I think those olive ones I have listed high. Maybe that's why I may have to change the price. But yeah, most blue, like the ones for these pants, the ones that I find, they're mostly blue, and I guess people buy them up when I, list them. So this only took a couple of days to sell. Like I said, I still have some green ones sitting here somewhere. I'm gonna show you guys. This olive one or whatever, what color, sitting here. But yeah, hopefully those sell sooner or later. But we got these out of our inventory in a couple of days, so that's great. And we made $36.24 off of these, so that's another great, sale. Gonna get the final roll action. It's just so satisfying. Thank you, Rashid from Pennsylvania. Now I'm just gonna slap the shipping label on here, and this I didn't have to weigh or anything because Poshmark, already has a prepaid shipping label that's 5 pounds. If you have an item that's 5 pounds or less, you can just, print out the shipping label, slap it on a box, poly bag, whatever. If it's over 5 pounds, I believe you have to, contact them, or, you just have to ask for another shipping label and they'll provide it to you. We're gonna stick our thank you note in there. And then our pants. Take all the air out and close. Easy as that. Another $30. So
the next day.
Well, you guys, I just finished packaging these without noticing that I was not filming. Apparently I had the DJI Osmo in picture mode.
Bruh.
But I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the shoes. We sold these Nike Janowski golf shoes on Poshmark. We paid $25 plus tax, so $27. We packaged them up. Sadly, I'm not going to tear up the box and do it all over again, although I would love to, but right now I gotta get going. And so we sold them for $80. We made $37 even, which is great return on investment, and I really can't believe I just caught myself lagging like that. And yeah, that's gonna conclude this packing video, you guys. I hope you enjoy. If you like these type of videos, go ahead and like. It only takes 2 seconds and it greatly helps out the channel. Thanks for watching to the very end. Hope you have a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video.